My life has been so much stress lately. My busy home, my hurried work. Sometimes I fear for myself, turn between one tension and another. I lose my nerve and I feel the need to get away. Enfold me, Lord. Shield me from the frailty of my spirit. Protect me from my own powerless will. Free me from all anxieties and doubts. When I am so down, please help me to stand. Give me the courage to carry on, to go on. Give me the vigor to push on and continue with the mission you have chosen me to task. Please help me remember, Lord, that you are there beside me, holding my hand, and if I fall at times, be there to carry me. Amen.